Hello. Saturday afternoon is the blizzard. Sophie's getting rid of the dog again because she has no time to look after it and it pisses and shits while she's gone. Then she's going to get her PT, so I made her promise she wouldn't get another dog. Here's Toby Dog, the mummy loves and takes care of. Here's Boo Boo Dog, royally on the couch that Donald's next in line for paying the price of the cleaning when Mummy gets sick of it being dirty from drool. And look outside. Now wait. I don't know, you have to see this hopefully. Fucking blizzard. It just started. They're saying winds up to 100 kilometers an hour. Donald made a finger. Now, I don't know how well. You don't see it because it's fine. I guess you won't see it on cam. And this is just the start of it. They're saying it's going to dump like, I don't know how many centimeters. Anyways, try to give you a little, un petit goût du Québec. Poor Mule and Stéphane, they had to go faire un déménagement today for Josie's aunt. Can you imagine on this shit? Anyhow, so that was it. Oh, and here's Jimmy Boy, who I heard went on my bed for the first time that somebody saw him go there. Say hi, Jimmy Boy. Whoa, you said hi. It's Jennifer and Sean. Say hi. Oh, okay, good. Oh, here's Misty. Misty. Whoa, where'd she run? Misty, what do you want? Oh, here's Thibaut. I guess they think it's feeding time. Oh, there goes Jimmy on the table, expecting to be fed there, showing me the dish. Yes, Jimmy Boy? Oh, Thibaut. Misty's waiting patiently on the floor. Well, screw you, I'm not feeding you. Ha 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 ha. Look, oh, and this is our supper. Look, super salad. I'm gonna try this new vinaigrette spritzer. Our steaks. Too bad it was too snowy for the barbecue. Would have been great. And oh, I can't open this, but this is cauliflower and carrots. And there's Toby Dog again, and that's about it. I don't know. No, you can't see much from here because the light, I guess. Whatever. So it's another snowy Saturday fucking day in Quebec. Bye.